Affiliate marketing explained through basic tips and tricks. Affiliate marketing is a useful tool for businesses that wish to succeed when competing against other businesses. Businesses make use of this kind of marketing by paying affiliates to bring in more customers. Affiliates can do this by whatever means they choose. The tips provided in the following video will help you to take advantage of what arrangements companies are offering. When selecting your channels and establishing affiliates, try different types to see which are the most effective. When you compare the results coming from different channels, you will start to see what types of channels bring you the most business, and which ones are just mediocre. You want to retain the ones who are making the most money for you. One of the best ways to increase your affiliate expertise level is to study what other marketers are doing with similar products. By viewing their tactics, you will understand how they attract people to their sites and ultimately send them to the main company's site to become customers. It's a working method that can help you increase commissions. If an affiliate program isn't working for you, try something else. There are so many different affiliate marketing programs out there that finding the one that fits with your audience and your style takes some time. Research ad testing into your page to track what is working and what isn't. Check your favorite products to see if they offer affiliate marketing programs as well. You aren't limited to just the big affiliate sites. As stated before, affiliate marketing is a useful tool for businesses who wish to be successful. Affiliates are paid by companies to use their methods to bring in more customers, and you can get in on the action. By doing so, businesses can have access to more profit. If you remember the tips in this video, then you can do quite well. Student loan.